You guys, look how I pick up my child from school. He really wanted crackers and Nutella for breakfast. You got your crackers and Nutella? Alright, eat up. So careful. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Come, Tamela. Come here. Come. Look up. Look. Say hi. Look up. Look. Say hi. Tyler, stop, please. Say hello to the face. You guys, it's the last day of school today for Tyler. For a while, for an entire month.
But the 26th I'm going back to school. The 26th I'm going back to school because they have school at school. All my classes.
Yeah, you're going to school but not in class. You're just going for swimming.
Yes.
So Tyler, we're back in lockdown here in France. So Tyler, is the last day of school for Tyler today. Next week Tyler will have 1 week of school from home, and then
another week from school from home. And
1 week of school from home, and then after that is vacation. So you'll have 2 weeks after that 1 week for just vacation.
okay.
So that equals to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
She pushing Tyler.
3 times. Mama. 3 times
Get down,
7.
get down.
Mama, 3 times 7.
I don't know.
21.
Look. See, up. Look up. Say hi. Hi. Look. It's really full of teeth. You're singing for the fans? A, B, C, D.
H, I, M, U, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved. Me? Oh, Tyler. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? He won't leave you alone, eh? Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'm about to get my day going. Tell Tyler, no. Say no, Ty. Alright. What you want to tell? See them there? Tell them what you want to tell
Okay,
them.
so like is the last day. 4 rules. 1. Don't forget no type. 2. Don't forget the mask. 3. Eat everything at canteen. 4, and
What you out here telling Faves? Come put your hand
5. 5 is water. Bye. Remember. You remember all the 5 rules?
Come. What 5 rules you tell them about?
Mama,
Mm?
I'm going to.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna drop this chopper box
And battery time.
at school. Come, Max.
Battery time.
Yes, Ty, I can see that if you can see that.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
delete the school. Can we do some addition colors?
Okay. Done, and workout was bam bam bam, though I did not want to do any workout this morning but I powered through. So I put Sarah down for a nap and I'm making a quick breakfast. I'm going to blend banana, 1 natural yogurt, a little almond milk, and this mix oats and seeds. So when I forget to put it to soak at night, this is an easy way of how I do it. I just blend it and I have a yummy breakfast. So I just put everything in my smoothie jar and blend it. And the good thing about the smoothie jar is that I can drink directly from it. So let's go blending. You guys, look how I pick up my child from school.
Sarah, no.
It's alright. I don't even know how I'm feeling right now, you guys. They say as a parent, you are going to go through so much things with your kids and they're gonna get hurt and you can't always protect them. And this is one of the moments. So that clip that you just saw, I just went and picked Tyler up from school and Tyler came through the gate like this. Big smile on his face. But then when I look up, I'm like, the blood is running down. I'm like, what's going on? All the parents at the gate came over to me and they're like, what's happening? Why is the blood running down his face like that? He said, Mama, I didn't cry. Brave Tyler. Mama, I didn't cry and it didn't hurt. I said, what happened? He said he and another boy hit head on while during playtime. And that happened. So I said the teacher didn't clean it or nothing. He said she put a paper on it to wipe the blood and took off his bloody mask and replaced the mask. So he had the bloody mask in a bag in his hand. But for me, when you're I'm even can't find my words. That's how much I'm still shaking when I pick him up. Schools in Jamaica, I mean, we have a medical room where if something like this happens, they'll wipe it and put a band-aid or whatever it is until your parents come or until you go home. I don't know why they didn't do that, or I really don't know, but the cut just opened up. Maybe that's why they couldn't do anything. The cut just literally just opened up and I'm looking at Tyler's flesh. I'm like, oh my God, this can't be happening on the last day of school. So I called Babe. I said, Babe, come and meet me because I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking. Babe, come and meet me. Just take your time. Come and meet me. He asked me what happened. I didn't want to keep him in suspense for him to worry. So I said, Tyler have a big cut in his face and we cannot keep him home like this. He have to go to the doctor. So a parent came over to me and told me that there's a doctor just close by where we are that take walk in like Ty. So babe came and meet me almost at school because I was taking my time with him and Ty and Sarah. Sarah wasn't in her stroller, she was walking, so I have to be taking my time. So babe come and meet me and he took Ty and rushed him to the doctor where the parent gave me the address. So he just messaged me that Tyler have to get 2 stitches. He have to get 2 stitches, and he say, honey, it's a good thing that you're here. It's a good thing I tell you to stay and don't come, because you couldn't take seeing Tyler the way he is right now, and just know that he's a brave boy. He's not even crying. So yeah, Tyler have to get 2 stitches in his face. I know that days like these might have come, but I wasn't prepared for it. I wasn't prepared for it. So that's what's happening right now. Sarah is here, just chill. She's tired because she didn't sleep our entire nap time. Her mouth is bothering her a lot. So she's just relaxing, watching TV. When she's calm like this, she's okay. So when Tyler get back, I'll give you guys another update on how he's doing. But yeah, that's what's happening. If you're watching this and you're not a parent as yet and you plan on being one, just brace yourself for anything, because it's gonna come, girl. My God, my heart just breaks to see him like that. And he's so brave. He was smiling the entire time. Like, mama, I didn't cry. And everybody was passing him and said, bye bye Tyler, désolé Tyler. They saying sorry, and parent was being so nice and sympathetic and say, what's happening, what's going on? You never want to pick up your child. You send your child to school good, and you pick up your child and then this happened. But freak accidents happen. It's just that we're just gonna have to deal with it. Kids, huh? You guys, this is Stella back after getting the stitches. You're a brave boy.
Yes, I didn't even.
Tell what happened.
I didn't even cry when I did this thing.
Tell them what happened at school.
I bumped my head into somebody.
You bumped your head into somebody.
Yeah.
And both of you bleed.
Yes.
Yeah. And you had to go to the doctor and get stitches.
Yes.
It hurt.
Don't touch it.
Mama feel bad for you.
Mama, can I read my baby book and watch my tablet?
Yes. But you okay? Come here. You okay though, right?
Yes.
It's not hurting.
Yes, Mama. Can I read my
Tell Fizz
book?
that you're okay.
I'm okay. Mama,
Yes,
can I read my book here like that? After when I finish to read everything in French, and when I see something, you need to repeat it.
Not now. Go.
Okay, so I'm going to read my book and they need to listen.
No.
Sure.
Anyway, guys, Babe and Ty came back from the doctor, and Babe said the stitches need to come out by Wednesday. Hey, go and read the book in your room. You know you can't read your book in front of the TV. Run along. And you need to also take a shower. So you need to read your book and take a shower, and then you can watch your tablet for today. Okay?
Wash my hair?
No, don't wash it. Just use your rag and rub it. Tyler, stitches need to come out on Wednesday. But we have an appointment for both him and Sarah at the pediatrician. So it's either the pediatrician gonna take it out, or he have to go back to the doctor that did the stitches to take them out by the latest Friday. So yeah, he's okay. He's in good spirits. He's not in any pain. We have something for the pain and such. So yeah, I didn't even show you guys everything else that we did because I'm really not in the mood, and I'm sure you guys understand where my feelings coming from. Anyway, guys, that's what's good.
Mama, can you show me?
You want me to shower you?
Yeah.
Why you want me to shower you?
Because.
Because. Okay, go read your book. When you finish read your book, you call me and I'll come shower you. He have those moments when he just want me to shower him and he just want me to brush his teeth. Yes, Ty.
I can read my book here, but I turn my back to the TV.
Okay. Don't let me see you turn around and looking at the TV though.
Exploring the world?
Sarah.
Yeah. Not even my friend.
Your sister should be your favorite girl in the world.
And you too. My favorite boy in the world is